We are Swan STEM Limited, and we offer training services and health assessment diagnostics to hospitals in Wales. We had services which we were using in research, which are also used in hospital environments. So we decided to open up a business which would help the hospital. Wales in particular, to me, is a perfect place to start a business because the amount of support you get from the government is very, very beneficial. The Welsh Government was quite helpful in giving us a very good business advisor who took us and showed us the actual routes and what is involved in setting up a company. Obviously, we have the clinical skills, the people skills and the contacts, but in terms of setting up a company, we were quite on the back foot. It was very beneficial to us because we don't come from a background of a business environment. However, they gave us opportunities to looking into the right ways of approaching a business associate. They gave us the routes of good funding capabilities and also grant applications. I think to be an entrepreneur, you should be bold, confident, outspoken, and also be willing to have no for an answer.